Do you know what these are? These are fresh, still green chickpeas. So garbanzo beans, right? These are fresh, still in their shell. I'm dedicating tonight's dish to my friend and colleague, Anna Vidales. And so these are, they don't smell like anything, but oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat these. If you've never had fresh garbanzo beans or chickpeas, they have a crispiness of, oh gosh, like a water chestnut, and they're just absolutely sweet, like a nutty, sweet flavor. It is out of this world. So here you go, a giant chickpea. Wow. This is even a more giant chickpea. Look at how big this one is. What exactly am I going to make tonight for dinner dedicated to Anna? I can't stop eating these things now. Anyways, it's going to be poultry chicken. So here we go. We've got 4 chicken thighs plus the drumlets. And guess what we're going to make? Tandoori chicken. And we're going to have butter sauce with it, with the green chickpeas over a bed of, oh, I'm salivating, over a bed of lemon rice. And it's just going to be, ooh, absolutely yummy. Let's get started. Okay, to enhance the aromatics of our tandoori spices, we're going to mash together 4 cloves of garlic, and then I've got ginger root. So ginger root, and this one looks like it is starting to sprout. So I'm not going to use this one because I want it to sprout. I want to eat the leaves at some point and make a special dish for you. So we'll put this aside. We're going to mash about a tablespoon of ginger paste. We're going to put it all in the mortar and pestle, and I'm going to snap my fingers, and it's just going to magically happen. So you'll notice that I didn't peel the ginger. Some people would peel the ginger, but you know, I have never really peeled ginger when I do jerky, when I do spices like this, because especially when you're mashing it to a pulp, to a paste, that peel is so fine, and it's completely up to you. But here I've got, oh, okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna dump it in the mixing bowl here. And I can't forget my ground cumin. Right. That's looking really beautiful. That's perfect. Here we go. Okay, massage it really well. Then let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, up to maybe 4 hours, maybe no more than 5 hours, because the yogurt will continue to tenderize the meat. But this is good here, and we're just going to cover, and again, we're going to let it sit probably a minimum of 1 hour. And then, ooh, the star ingredient are the green fresh chickpeas. I'm just gonna bedazzle my plate with this. We are going to, ooh, can you hear the crispy? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is tender, juicy chicken tandoori. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.